This video will guide you through the 5 easy steps of a Medline Spectrum Pro conversion. Once we have your signed agreement, our certified installation crew will install your new Spectrum Pro dispensers within 4 to 6 weeks. Please ensure all key decision makers at your account are aware of the installation. We will need to know how many soap and sanitizer dispensers you would like installed at your account. If you are unsure of the amount, we can provide an estimate based on facility size, or have a member of our team conduct a walkthrough to establish a count. From there, the install team and your Medline representative will work with you to order all necessary product and hardware for the install, as well as schedule a delivery date. Before install, please communicate any questions or concerns to our team and your rep. We are always happy to set up time to walk through expectations. 1 week prior to install, we will confirm that you have received product, dispensers, and any dispenser accessories. Our certified installation crew will remove all old dispensers and install your brand new Medline Spectrum Pro dispensers. Following install, our team will do a final walkthrough to ensure the installation has been completed and can answer any questions you may have. Our team will then send a brief survey to confirm your satisfaction with the install. Enjoy your new Spectrum Pro products. For more information, contact your Medline representative.